Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you SiriusXM how to find the radio ID. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To find your SiriusXM radio ID, first what you need to do for in-car SiriusXM radio is turn on the radio. Ensure your vehicle's radio is powered on, then tune into channel 0 as this channel will display your radio ID on the screen. Then next is to access the radio menu and navigate to the settings or system info. Then look for the section labeled radio ID, ESN or SID to find the ID. Then what you need to do is next head over and open up your browser or your app and then simply type in SiriusXM, then log into your account. Now once logged into your account, tap on the 3 horizontal bar on the top right corner of the screen. Then what you need to do is navigate to the settings. Now inside settings, what you need to do is find your radio ID, which may be listed under account info or device information. Then once logged in, look for your radio ID or ESN ID under my account section. Then once you have your radio ID, you can use it to refresh your signal if you are experiencing issues. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.